Ideas come to me like birds that I see in the corner of my eye, and I may try, or may not, to get a closer fix on those birds.
Pat was more dedicated than any writer I'd ever met. Certainly, she was very famous when I met her.
Strangers on a Train, Miss Highsmith. It was bought by a celebrated film director.
Yes, Hitchcock took an interest in it.
What I wonder is, you don't admire Ripley. He is a killer.
Yes, but lately he kills only when he thinks it's right.
Toutes les filles étaient complètement fascinées parce que c'était Patricia Highsmith. Pat, on a bien profité, hein? Ça c'est sûr.
I may not be capable of love. I want something romantic, perhaps not definite.
Pat was revered for her pseudonymous novel, Carol. She was gay, and anybody didn't use their own name on a gay book because of family, because of her mother. Her mother was a bitch.
A woman was supposed to act like a boy. You didn't veer off of that.
She was easy to love. Let's put it that way.
Writing, of course, is a substitute for the life I cannot live, am unable to live.